Okay, y'all, I'm going to show you a few no-bake pies. The first one's going to be a no-bake Twix pie. Instead of using the crust recipe, I've got a pre-made crust that we're going to use. And the first thing you need to do is go ahead and soften an 8-ounce brick of cream cheese. Add that to your bowl. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla. You're going to want to beat this for a couple of minutes. Fold in 8 ounces of whipped topping. And then you're going to add 1 cup of chopped Twix candy bars. Here's the crust that you'll use. And after this has firmed up, I'll show you how to decorate the top. Okay, y'all, so we're ready to serve. You need to take your chopped up twigs, put on top. It doesn't really matter how to arrange them. And then take your chocolate syrup. And then you'll take the caramel syrup. That's it. Here is another good no-bake pie for the holidays. It's Butterfinger pie. You need to grab a mixing bowl, your softened cream cheese, and half a cup of peanut butter, and you're going to beat this together. You're going to mix in the vanilla. You need 2 teaspoons of that. The next thing that you will add is 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Alright, so I have some crushed Butterfingers. We'll put those in. To this, you need to add 8 ounces of Cool Whip. So the next thing we will do is we will put it in an Oreo crust. Take the last few Butterfingers that you reserved. I reserved, I think it was 3. Okay, that's it. This will go into the fridge for at least 4 hours before serving. Okay, y'all, so our final no-bake for this video is going to be a cherry cheesecake. It's real simple. 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, and then you'll fold in 8 ounces of Cool Whip. just going to leave this plain, and then I'm just going to let my family add the pie filling as they want to in case they want to leave it without. Okay, that's it.